How to autofill your information in TikTok's browser. This is also useful for things like TikTok Shop, so let's get into it. Start out on your profile page. Then tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. On the box that pops up, tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, go to Security and Permissions, which has the shield icon next to it. On my page, it's the third one down. At the very bottom, under Permissions, tap on Browser Settings. Now you can see we have 2 options here, Autofill Payment Information and Autofill Contact Information. I'm going to go ahead and turn both of these on. Now before this will work, you'll need to actually enter in your payment and contact information. You can tap on one of them to see. I'm going to go ahead and tap on Contact Information. And here you can go ahead and fill this out. Once you have everything filled out and these are toggled on, they will autofill in any sort of TikTok browser or anything where this sort of information would be needed. That's all there is to it. Before you go, check this out.